some applications, the relation between two variables can be shown through a graph. Here one quantity affects the other. For example, A. The amount of electric bill depends on the quantity of electricity used. The quantity of electricity is the independent variable and electric bill is the dependent variable. B. The number of liters of petrol you buy to fill a car's petrol tank will decide the amount you have to pay. Here, number of liters of petrol is the independent variable and the bill amount is the dependent variable. Let's see some examples. A. Quantity and cost. The following table shows the quantity of fruit and its cost. Plot a graph to show the data. Step 1. Taking suitable scale on both the axes, mark the quantity of fruits along the horizontal axis, that is the x-axis. Step 2. Mark the cost of fruits along the vertical axis, that is the y-axis. Step 3. Plot the points. Step 4. Join the points. Thus, we get a linear graph. This is a graph in which two quantities are in direct variation. In such a situation, the graph will always be linear as shown below. B. Principal and simple interest. A bank gives 7% simple interest on deposits by senior citizens. Draw a graph to illustrate the relation between the sum deposited and simple interest earned. Find it from the graph. A. The annual interest obtainable for an investment of Rs 550. B. The investment one has to make to get an annual simple interest of Rs 89. Also, find the quantities to be plotted as deposit and simple interest. The table is as follows. Calculation for the simple interest for a year with rate 7% is shown below. Steps are described as under. First, decide the quantities to be taken on the x-axis and on the y-axis. Second, choose a scale. Third, plot points. Fourth, join the points. Now let's take the scale. 1 unit equals Rs 100 on horizontal axis, 1 unit equals Rs 8 on vertical axis. Mark deposit along horizontal axis. Mark simple interest along vertical axis. Plot the points 107, 321, 428, 642, 749 and 1070. On joining the points, we get to form a linear graph. Now try to draw the graph and find the answer for the above questions on your own. Try this. Time and distance. 1. Rashmi can ride scooter constantly at a speed of 50 km per hour. Draw a time distance graph for this situation. Use it to find A. The time taken by Rashmi to ride 110 km. B. The distance covered by Rashmi in 3.5 hours. 2. Draw a graph for the following values.